Hello. How would you simplify an algebraic expression like this one? Well, the only way out of this is knowing how to factorize. So if you factorize the top and you factorize the denominator or the bottom, then you can find what is common and then you can cancel it out. So let's go ahead and work out this. So the first thing you're going to do is put our over there. So you can clearly see that 9 is a perfect square. So 9 can be written as 3 squared. Then there we have our x squared minus 1 squared. So clearly you can see that the top will only be factorized using difference of two squares. Then down here you can see that there's a number that can go into 9 and 3. That number is 3. Okay, so there we go. We write our 3 there, open bracket. 3 into 9, I remain with 3x there. See that? 3 into positive 3, that is a positive 1. Let's go ahead and simplify the top. What do we get there? So the top part, once simplified, it will become 3x in bracket squared minus 1 over 3, open bracket, 3x plus 1. All right? So how did I simplify this 3x in brackets to the power 2 from this? There's a rule of indices which says if you have x to the power m, y to the power m, y to the power m, okay, this rule says you can put the x and the y in brackets like that and put the m out there. So this is a rule of indices that I have used to simplify this. So using the difference of two squares, which says if you have a squared minus b squared, you are going to get a plus b. Let me just put this one down here. You're going to get a plus b, a minus b, like that. Using this theory here, the difference of two squares, you're going to clearly see that what we have here is 3x squared, which is just the same as a squared, and 1 squared, which is the same as b squared. So to simplify or factorize the top, I'm going to have 3x plus 1, then I have 3x minus 1 there. This whole thing is over 3, open bracket, 3x plus 1. Okay, so once I simplify this now to this stage, then the only thing remaining now is for me to observe that 3x minus 1 is present both in the numerator and in the numerator and in the denominator there. So what I'll do is I'll just do this. This cancels that, meaning that my answer is 3x minus 1 over 3. So there, that is my answer. Okay, so this is how you simplify such kind of an algebraic expression. I really hope this one gives you an idea of how you go about this. And if you're preparing for an examination, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.